Take a ride in the 2019 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, remote engine start, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display.